lovely, welcome back to my channel. It's AKONTABA, and today I'm going to show you how I turned this beautiful wig straight out of the sewing machine from this to this. So make sure you stay tuned to the end, and I'll show you exactly how you can also create this beautiful look in the comfort of your home. When it comes to styling my curly wigs, I don't like using a lot of product at all. The only two products I use are water and then this curly jelly by Umberto Giannini. I love it because it's very lightweight and it keeps your curls in all day. I would never be able to comb out such a thick, kinky texture without adding the water and the curly jelly that I just applied, because with these two products, now the curls are very soft, hence I'm able to comb them out and style them exactly how I want to. The reason I recommend our headband wigs to every lady out there is because it's so easy, it's so practical, it's perfect for an everyday wear. You don't have to do any of this work that I'm showing you now. The wig arrives already styled, already deep conditioned, with the curls super soft. All you have to do is put them on and out you go. I am just showing you the process that we follow for each wig before we send them out. So I've gone ahead and created some twists, and I am now ready to put it on the wig. So I'm just putting on a wig cap. You don't even have to wear a wig cap with this wig. However, we do send you wig caps with all of our wigs. So, you know, if you want to keep your hair nice and tucked in, you definitely can. So all you have to do, guys, it takes 3 seconds to put this wig on. Is you put it right on top of your head, then there is a Velcro, which I'm showing you now. All you have to do is, together with the other side, you tack those two Velcro together, and that's it, done. The wig will not move for the rest of the day. Guys, look at the curls. The curls are popping. Okay, I'm not even finished on doing all the twists, and this hair matches exactly as my natural hair. It's just perfect, and it looks like it's coming right off my scalp. This wig is perfect for your everyday wear. It's perfect if you're natural, even if you're not natural and you just want to have your hair breathe a bit, especially your edges. Girls, it's very important that we let our edges breathe. You know, we wear wigs every day, so being able to have our edges breathe is very important. So the wig comes with a black headband already attached to the wig. However, we do give you 2 free headbands as well. So whenever you are tired of just using the black one, you can switch it up a bit and change your style. For watching to the end. Please subscribe if you like this video, and please leave us a thumbs up. It just helps us even more. And until my next video, stay blessed. Bye.